guys, welcome back to my channel. Go ahead and like the like button and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And we're going to get right into this video. You want to prime your face to get a full coverage of moisturizer and protection between your face and the makeup. And I actually went live with this look on Facebook. I will put my Facebook name down in the description box below so you guys can see my lives on Facebook. As you can see, I'm already concealing my eyes. That's because I had a last minute decision that I wanted to practice on my eyebrows as well. And I just wanted to let you guys know that I was just using a dark powder from my contour palette, that BH Cosmetics. Just a dark powder to fill in my eyebrows. I don't have any pomade just yet, but coming soon I will. I wasn't even going to touch my eyebrows. Like, oh my gosh. I'm so afraid of eyebrows. And they're never going to be sisters. This one's on plate, so I'm like, oh my gosh. I'm getting used to this ring light. I just got it. And just in case I didn't mention it before, I am a beginner when it comes to eyebrows. I just learned how to do them, so in this video is the very beginning of my learning stage. But I am going to go ahead and outline my eyebrows with concealer. I understand the struggles of us beginners. I don't be wanting to get too close to them. Somebody told me just practice, just do it. And I'm like, no, I don't want to do this. Just so you guys know, I've got way better at this off camera. Not that this is bad, but just wanted to show you guys that you don't want to stop. You want to keep practicing and keep trying. Even as much as I didn't want to even try my eyebrows, I feel like I love doing them now. I love shaping them. I love filling them in. So I'm glad I learned. I'm glad I didn't stop trying to learn. And this is the Take Me Back to Brazil palette. I got this from BH Cosmetics for $18 at Ulta. I got it at Ulta, but it is BH Cosmetics brand. Now it's time to get into what I'm really good at. Eyeshadow, blending. I'm going to do 3 different colors here, and it's going to be a galaxy looking cotton candy look. The only purple I used from this palette. This is the BH Cosmetics Take Me Back to Brazil. Then the pink and back to the blue. It's going to come out. Or should I do a third color in between these two? Alright, let me just do it and see. Now this freaking eyeshadow was not coming on this pigmented before. Or was it the ring light just helps me see the color come in more? I don't know. I'm not bringing this all the way over yet because I'm trying to see if I want to add another color in between. Yeah. I think in front of me y'all can see me better. Is that better? One of the girls on my live asked me if I had any glitter, and I just so happen to have glitter, but I don't have any adhesive glue. So glitter looks will be coming soon. I don't just want to put any type of glue on my eyes because my skin is very sensitive. So once I find something that is protective of my eyes, then I will definitely have glitter look soon. Have I seen this super cute BB hat at Burlington? Now it's time for the cut crease, which is another thing that I'm still working on. I have the right brush for it, which is a flat round brush, but I still have to get the right consistency of concealer. Now I'm going to go in using the Watch Me Blush palette. This is from the Crayon case, a black owned company. And this is my favorite go-to palette. Basics. This is that cobbler. Hopefully that pops out now. So, should I do... I conceal to cover up any dark spots under my eyes. I used to have a lot more dark areas under my eyes when I was in high school, but for some reason I still conceal under my eyes just because it just makes my eyes pop. I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and I'm mixing multiple foundations together. I have a Super Stay foundation as well. That's 362, and my other color is 355. So I mix those two together. That's what I'm doing now because my skin tone changes in the wintertime and in the summertime, and in between the seasons it gets another different color. So I have like about 4 different shades of Maybelline Fit Me, all in the 350 to 362 numbers, all in those shades. Like I was saying, these are all of the shades that I have. I have about 4 different shades, and the darker shade is all is for contouring my cheekbones down. So I guess I only have 3, but that's just right now. Now I'm going to begin to blend my concealer into my foundation to make a nice even look. That the powder is really for people who have dry skin. I don't need, I feel like I don't need that. That concealer is, the concealer that I use is the Pro Concealer by LA Girl. And I also use the LA Colors concealer as well. I use any concealer that I can get my hands on actually. And don't forget to snatch that nose up. And now I'm going to go under my eye with a couple of the colors that are on my eyelid just to make my eyeshadow pop. Right? And now I'm going to go in with my contourization notebook and use the highlighter Pink Me to highlight my face. Finish up the look with a little bit of mascara. These are a couple of pictures from earlier in the week, looks that that I didn't make videos of, but I did want to post them up. So thanks for watching, guys, and be on the lookout for more videos. I did just recently make a new backdrop, so I will have more videos coming very, very soon.